There you go. It's all unloaded. See the garage door track there on the top of the pile? That was the first thing I loaded, so all that you see right there, quite a bit I had on the truck. But truck's all swept out, ready to go get another load. Maybe that big machine over there, that's what we need. That big dump trailer. That'll speed up this process. Let me go get another load. See you guys in a bit. Truck's loaded again. Pretty full. There's 3 hot water heaters in there. A few more of those air handlers. A couple furnaces. A bunch of those expansion tanks. About a dozen chairs right here at the end. Making a little bit of progress. That commercial stainless steel stove, I tore off all the steel. We're left with just the stainless. I just got to cut that top off right there that's rusted with the torch. I added 4 more radiators here. And these 3 right here to the stack. I got a little hole in here. Now I got a path. I got a path up this way. Little path over here. And all that number 1 sitting there. I got that hot water tank over there. I can't get it out. It's buried. I can't lift it up and over. So it's going to have to wait till the next load. A lot of number 1 here. A lot of number 1. And I got this washer machine here I didn't take apart yet. Because it's filled right to the top. Mostly with all number 1. A couple little picky things in there I got to pick out. But we'll get to it. I added some more good stuff to this little bin. I added a bit more copper up there on the top. I filled up another bin. Some wire, a couple transformers. A couple things here I pulled off of the hot water tanks that are in the truck now. A couple brass things, a couple copper. Got some number 1 sitting over here. That's going to go on the next load. This is stainless. I got to take that apart. I just picked this up. I know most of you are thinking rip them apart and scrap them out. I save them. These are going to get sold. There's almost 400 bucks right in that stack there once they're sold. I got to test them, but the guy I got them from said they all work. So I always try to sell things before I scrap it. If I could turn that into 400 bucks instead of probably $20 a scrap, that's the way to go. Even if I got to wait a month, I'm okay with it. But a little update on what we got going. There's definitely some holes opening up here. Got this big load, like I said. What do you guys think it weighs? Comment down below. That last load you saw in my last video, what do you think that weighed? Put them in the comments below. We'll see who's pretty close. I'll show you at the scrapyard throwing it off. This is the start. See, it's pretty empty. A couple motors somebody threw out. Truck's empty again. There's the whole pile from that red chair all the way back to the truck here. Not the motors. All that here was on the truck. Not that water heater out there. Just from the red chair back. See if you could guess the weight. So I'm back at the warehouse. The pile's growing. Everything is getting taller. One narrow path. Oop, something fell. The ladder. I know some of you guys already seen this warehouse, I don't know, a few videos ago. But since then, I added quite a bit more. Solid brass table. I don't know yet when I'm gonna scrap that or if I'm gonna sell it. Let's go up this ladder here. Let you guys look down again. So all those storage units I had, 4 of them, somehow I fit in here with all the other stuff that you saw in the previous video. And I didn't take anything out. But there's plenty of work to do here. All this stuff's got to get sorted, pictures taken, listed on eBay. Some of the big stuff, the furniture, I'll sell locally, either through Facebook or like OfferUp, Let Go, one of those sites. But it's all good stuff in here. I gotta dig out a dressing table right now. Somebody's coming to pick it up. And it's all the way back there, buried. It's behind all this and under it all. I can't even see it yet. But we got to get all this off the top, get everything out of the way, and dig it out. $100. So we'll take an hour and we'll dig it out. I don't know how good the lighting is, but I found that it's all the way in there. You can see that brown, light brown knob sticking out. That has to come out. All this has to get moved. Now, let me get to work. They're coming in a half hour. See you guys in a bit. So I got it out. Changing table, ready to go. Just waiting for the people to come and pick it up. Close the door. And all the furniture is still stacked up over there. I didn't have to move as much as I thought, but it took a bit to get it out. A little less than an hour. A lot of stuff to sell on eBay here. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. See if you could guess the weight on that last load I brought to the scrapyard. Share it with your friends. See you guys on the next one.